So why might you choose engineering manufacture? This is a really good course to choose if you're interested in learning the practical skills that would be used in industry, such as identifying the appropriate materials to use, how to safely produce a one-off product, and how to use CNC to produce in quantity. So that is essentially 3D printing or laser cutting. The qualification will also provide you with transferable skills such as problem-solving skills and how to plan a sequence of processes. So your GCSE will be split into 3 parts. The first one is Principles of Engineering Design, which is 40% of the GCSE, and that will be assessed through a 1 hour 15-minute written exam in Year 11. The next 2 units are coursework units. So one is manufacturing of a one-off product and the other is manufacturing in quantity, and they're 30% each. And I will go on to talk about all of those units in more detail now. So Principles of Engineering Manufacture. This is assessed by an exam. In this unit, you will learn about the different types of manufacturing processes and the different materials that can be used within manufacturing. The exam will focus on 4 topic areas. So topic area 1, manufacturing processes, 2, engineering materials, 3, manufacturing requirements, and 4, developments in engineering manufacturing. So it's knowledge that you would apply if you went on to do further studies or working in industry. The first coursework is manufacturing of a one-off product. So this is assessed by a set assignment, which basically means that you'll be given a task which you need to complete. In this unit, you will learn how to safely plan and produce a one-off product by using appropriate processes, tools, and equipment. Topics include planning the production of one-off product, so reading a engineering drawing and creating a production plan of how you'll make that, measuring and marking out, and safely using the processes, tools, and equipment to make the product. So this is an example of the set assignment that students were given this year for this bit of coursework. So they've been given this engineering drawing. They've learned how to interpret this drawing and planned from this how to make it safely. Students have then gone on to manufacture the product. To do so, they've had to use a range of skills and tools. So, for example, using a hacksaw safely, hand files, a die thread cutter, vernier height gauge to measure their work. They've used the pillar drill, the milling machine, and the centre lathe. And all of these processes together will enable them to make their slide hammer, as you saw in a drawing. The second coursework is manufacturing in quantity. So this is assessed by a set assignment again, so you will be given a task which you need to complete. In this unit, you will learn how to manufacture using simple jigs and templates to support manufacturing in volume, using computer-aided design and CNC equipment. So topics include preparing for manufacture, develop programs to operate CNC equipment. So that essentially means learning how to use the software, which I'll talk about in a little more detail, and safely use processes and equipment to make the products in quantity. So to manufacture in quantity, they will have to, after receiving the set assignment, determine which would be the most appropriate method, either laser cutting or 3D printing. If the most appropriate option would be laser cutting, they will need to use TechSoft to create the files in order to manufacture that product. Students will have used TechSoft in Key Stage 3. If it's more appropriate to use 3D printing for the assignment, then they will need to use Fusion 360. So this is a brilliant 3D modelling software which can create some really realistic results in terms of imagining your design. So students will learn how to firstly achieve simple shapes, and then how to join components together, and how to apply renders to create a realistic 3D model of their design. And then this is the same software in which we will then use to 3D print that product. Fairfield High School offers 2 engineering courses, so what's the difference? Manufacture focuses on making processes. You will learn how to understand industry standard drawings to create predetermined products out of suitable materials. This is more suited to students wanting to learn skills to enable them to fabricate products. The design course focuses on design processes. You will develop an understanding of industry standard design processes to allow you to create innovative products. So this is more suited to students who want to go on to be product designers. Both the courses are quite similar in the skills that you learn. It's just the weighting of those skills, I guess. So manufacture, you do more manufacturing, and design, you do more designing. However, you do manufacture and design in both. So where can it take you? This course can lead on to A-levels such as design and technology, or product design, or engineering, apprenticeships, Cambridge Technicals and T-levels, and these are all pathways that can then lead on to higher education such as degrees. What careers can it lead to? This course is a gateway to progress into a career in any of the engineering sectors. You can see the list is pretty extensive. If you have any questions about careers, please just come and see me. And likewise, if you're weighing up which of the engineering courses might be best for you, then please just come and see me. I'm in GE07 or Mr. Pryke in GE01. Okay, thank you very much.